how to link your account with phone number on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your account with phone number on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and let's go back first and click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and now just click this one account and click link account, and here you will find phone. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just click link account and then just type your phone number, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.